This Thanksgiving, sew the turkey skin together, make this Chinese dish. Forget about boring roasted turkey. This is so much better. Today we're making turkey. We're making 6 dishes in my Chinese way. This is Chinese mom, battle turkey. Ready for the battle. Let's break this down. See if this bird is a whole bird, has a head and feet. This is a more interesting way to eat turkey in 6 different ways. Why you want to have one turkey, just one dish? Kind of boring. I don't see the head. Here, right here. We have the neck. Oh, no head. I'm kind of disappointed. That looked really nice, the head on the plate. Nothing inside for me to cook with. Headless turkey, okay. Oh, it's right here. Okay, we got some little present here. At least they saved some intestines or stuff for me. Liver and giblets. Don't waste food. Eat the whole turkey. First, we're gonna take the wings off. Where the joint is. 2 wings. Try to separate the whole turkey skin off. I use the skin for a special dish. Even better. Oh, finally, last piece. I take the skin off the turkey. Now we cut the legs off. The famous turkey leg. Now we got 2. Here's our turkey breast. Here we got turkey hearts. We are eating this. We got 2 turkey breasts. One side of breast is heavy already. Oh, this cock is perfect for soup. Chop like Chinese mom. We got turkey breakdown. Here's turkey carcass, the pieces for soup, turkey wings, neck, giblets, and turkey leg. And our turkey skin, the mystery dish, will be the best. Ready to go. Make some cuts on the turkey leg so the marinade can get in there really nicely. If you have time, you can do this the day before, but I'm just gonna do this on the side for 30 minutes. This turkey leg probably gonna be the best one you ever had in my Chinese way. First, we add cooking wine, soy sauce. You can see I'm not measuring with any measuring spoon because you know I measure with my Chinese eyeballs, just like my grandma. If you're new here, you might have to learn how to use your eyeballs. Sprinkle some salt and cumin, 5 spice powder, garlic, and chopped ginger. Get a little massage, you got this flavor in. Get marinated in the fridge. Now we put on this tray. Just put some extra sauce on it. If you have the skin, you can do the air fry. But this, since I have skin off, actually, I'm gonna roast this. It's on 365. He's ready. Let's see. Oh, this looks so good. Let's poke in a bit. Look at the juice coming out of here. Juicy turkey leg. I'm gonna have dry mushrooms for the turkey soup. Soak in the water first. Boil pot of water. We are boiling this for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is boiling. We get rid of this water. We add some new water in here. Now add crushed ginger and green onions and your sorted mushrooms. In China, people eat this herbal soup to improve their health. You can see a lot of Chinese herbs in here. It's really benefit for many things in your body. They put dates in and also goji berry. Same recipe you can use for any chicken. We bring to a boil for 10 minutes and we turn it down to low heat for another 2 to 3 hours. Asian Market Cookbook with my master braising sauce. So this sauce you can use for any meat and you save the sauce, you can freeze it, you can reuse and then just add spices, can last you a very long time. Okay, first, Add some cooking oil. When the oil is hot, we add rock sugar. Then we cook the rock sugar in the hot oil about 2 minutes. Caramelize the sugar. You see this like a brown syrup. We let it cool, then add some water. After you add water, just add a pork stock. This is the pork bone soup I made. Fresh ginger, green onions. I'll put all the spice in this tea bag. Close this and put in the soup. Next, we add soy sauce and salt. Turkey wings in this master braising sauce. Also turkey neck. Bring to a boil. Then we cook for another 60 to 90 minutes. For this Thanksgiving, you need to sew the turkey skin together for this dish. I used to do fashion design, so for sewing, not a problem. I can sew clothes, then I can sew turkey skin. I used to sew a lot of clothes, and I was actually in Boston Fashion Week, and I was featured designer that year. Long time ago. Look at me now, I'm sewing turkey skin. Even more fun. For this turkey skin stuffing, chop some onions and carrots. Also chop some potatoes and shiitake mushrooms. Now on high heat, stir fry all the ingredients. First we got some ginger and onions. Oh, we add the potatoes, carrots, and mushrooms. Let's flip. Add salt and pepper. How can you have a Chinese Thanksgiving turkey dinner without rice? This is like turkey stuffing fried rice inside. So good. Look at this. You know I cook with lard, homemade lard, in any fried rice. Now the fun part, we're gonna stuff this turkey skin with this rice. Still a lot of room to go. Now the whole turkey is stuffed. Get the turkey close. Finish the surgery. Oh, here. You can actually see the turkey shape. Roast this. Look at the turkey skin. I didn't put any oil. This oil is from the turkey skin, which is brushed on outside. And keep cooking. Wow, it's so cooked. Oh, my sewing skill looks pretty good. So close, didn't explode. For next dish is a stir fry. We need to use this, my 17-year-old pickled pepper. This is probably older than you. You might be tired of me saying this, but I just know. So we're gonna chop this turkey breast into little cubes. Marinate with cornstarch and cooking wine so your turkey is still very tender, not dry. Quickly stir fry. Now we take the chicken out. We take the turkey out, chicken out. Oh, anyway, they are all birds, the same. Pickled pepper, ginger, and green onions in. Get the fragrance out. The turkey back in. Our soy sauce. A little bit sugar and pinch of salt. Now we serve. Garnish with some more green onions. Take a bite. So tender. Last dish is a cold dish. Turkey breast. I cut in half. We'll boil this in the water with ginger and green onions. A little bit of cooking wine. Until this is cooked, we take it out. Now they are cool, so easy to just peel it off. This recipe actually is originally made with chicken. It's called a hand shredded spicy chicken. We're making a spicy sauce for the chicken. You can use this sauce for vegetable and any other meat. Some chopped ginger, soy sauce, chili oil. It's my homemade chili oil. Sprinkle some sugar, Some of the turkey soup we add in. Sichuan peppercorn oil. Pour over the sauce on the turkey. Reheat some oil, Sichuan peppercorn, and dried chilies. Let's roast this for a couple minutes. Now the hot oil is ready. Ready to pour over. Now you mix the sauce. Try a piece of turkey. Oh, that's so good. You have to make this whole turkey meal from one turkey. Let's take all the dishes out. Look at the turkey skin. This is like a whole turkey here, but inside, it's fried rice. This looks so good. Oh, look at the rice. Look at the rice, cooked perfectly, roasted fried rice. So here's the master sauce, braised turkey wings. Let's take it out. Wow, look at that. Also turkey neck, so soft. You poke it in, it's gonna break. Look at this. Look at the herbal soup. This is served in a bowl. Herbs, mushrooms. Wow. Salt to taste, just add in your bowl. Come in, come in. Look at this, a turkey feast made of one turkey. Here is a master sauce, braised turkey wings, neck. Here's a turkey leg, roasted turkey leg. Here's our Chinese herbal soup made out of turkey. And this one, we took off the skin, right? Then I stuffed it with kind of like a Chinese fried rice. There's another cold dish, spicy turkey, and that's a stir fry turkey breast.
Wow.
What do you think? It's enough for Thanksgiving?
It's a lot of food.
Taste this cold dish. And the herbal soup, improve your health. What do you think?
I love that.
Yeah, it's a lot of different kind of mushrooms.
That's really nice.
Soup is good. Let me try the soup. Oh, yeah, it's a lot of flavor. So the rice is in that turkey skin, and I sewed it together. You know my sewing skills, right? I sewed everything so there's no hole, nothing gonna escape. Maybe you wanna scoop out a piece of rice and try it.
Good.
Feast. You们三个坐那边啊。
Wait, rice is a dish? So 1, 2,
So 6 dishes. That's one turkey.
7. Okay. Rice is a dish.
So I took the turkey skin
1,
off.
2, 3,
So that's just skin. I
5,
stuffed with
6, 7,
rice in there. More rice.
That mushroom. What is it?
土豆。 Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Pepper. 红红看一下。哦。哦，OK。
Cutting crab lips.
Oh yeah，吃吗？尝一下。
Oh, it's Monday? Oh.
红红要不要一块 ？Pepper, look. Everyone having a great Thanksgiving. Make some Chinese food. Thanksgiving, something interesting. Hope you like this episode. We will see you. What do you mean? What do you say? Next week.
Are you gonna eat that?
Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, 我头发。